Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you determine the Lewis structure for F2 molecule. It is going to be really easy because this is a diatomic molecule as it is made up of two similar atoms. To start with the Lewis structure, we first need to know the total number of valence electrons for any given molecule. Here, each fluorine atom has 7 valence electrons in its outer shell because it is a group 7 element, and hence there will be 14 valence electrons in total because we have two fluorine atoms over here. So all you need to do is you need to multiply this by 2 and you will have the total number of valence electrons, which is 14 for this molecule. Once you have that, place both these atoms next to each other, and to show a bond between these two fluorine atoms, place a pair of electrons like this. After that, you are just left with 12 valence electrons. So what we will do is we will arrange 6 valence electrons around this fluorine atom, and this fluorine atom will have the other 6 valence electrons. Now doing that, we will have 8 valence electrons for each fluorine atom. So if you count individually, this fluorine atom has 8 valence electrons and even this has 8 valence electrons, and both these have complete octets, and hence this is a stable structure. So generally fluorine atoms just require one valence electron to have a complete outer shell, and by sharing these electrons with each other, they help each other to have a stable structure, and hence this is the Lewis structure of F2 molecule. I hope this video helps you to understand that, and for more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.